Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll explain what the ViberPay is and how it works and why people are starting to use it. So, ViberPay is a digital wallet that's built directly into the Viber messaging app. That means you can send and receive money inside your chats, just like sending a normal message. No separate app, no complicated setup. With ViberPay, you can send money instantly to your contacts using just their phone number. The money arrives in seconds, and wallet to wallet transfers between ViberPay users are free. And it's designed for everyday use. Things like splitting bills, sending gifts, paying friends back, or supporting family. Security is also a big focus. ViberPay uses encryption to protect your transactions and financial data. You can also request money, which is perfect for shared expenses and in support regions. Getting starting is actually simple. You just simply activate your ViberPay inside the app, add funds using a linked bank account or local mobile wallets like GCash in the Philippines, and then just tap the pay icon in the chat to send or request money. As for availability, ViberPay is expanding globally with strong support in places like the Philippines, Greece, Cyprus, and parts of Europe. Features may vary by country, so it's best to check directly in your app. In short, ViberPay turns your chat app into a fast, secure, and easy payment tool, perfect for everyday transactions without needing a traditional bank app. So that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.